back to NoBlandMakeup, where usually we do makeup tutorials and body paints with a cosplay twist. Today, however, is the continuation of my monochromatic makeup series. And if you guys hear like teeth chattering, that's because I'm freezing. I don't know why. It's not even that cold out. Anywho, aside from my temperature complaints. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with some eyeshadow primer. I believe in this tutorial I didn't do my foundation yet, mostly because I wasn't sure what I was going to be doing. This is also one of those tutorials, if you guys saw my last one, where I did it a while ago, but never actually got to post it up for some reason. I don't know why. It just kind of happened. And in my usual fashion, I'm out of frame. This is a thing I do. So once you actually have your primer on, we're going to go ahead and kind of cut the crease and do your eyeliner at the same time. For this I took some red eyeliner on a tiny angled brush. The firmer, the better in this case. So I'm just basically going to be outlining where my eye socket kind of pushes in. If you have slightly more hooded eyes, or when you do a cut crease it doesn't show as much, that is a really good tip to get it to show. Just look straight into a mirror so you can see when you have your eyes open what will be showing and what won't be, so then you know you can put your eyeshadow where people will see it. Now I'm gonna go in with, this is more like an angled kind of eyeshadow brush. It's a little bit fluffier, just with some red eyeshadow. This one is from the Burning Heart palette from Sugar Peel. It's Love Plus, and I'm just basically going to be going over that line that we did where we essentially cut the crease, and I'm going to be applying this red eyeshadow. Don't worry so much about blending it just yet, because as you can see now, we will be blending it out. Now this is kind of a like cheating way of getting away with doing a cut crease without using any extra concealer. I didn't feel like doing that, and I wanted to keep this monochromatic, hence the idea of the monochromatic series. So if you guys want to see the rest of the tutorials in this series, I'll have it linked in the cards up above. I'm just going in with a little bit more red eyeshadow just to, one, bring that red out a little bit more and to kind of blend everything. And then here I'm kind of cheating on the monochromatic thing. I'm applying a nude colored eyeshadow. You want it as close to your eyelid color as you can. Obviously this is a little bit lighter than my actual eyelid color, but you want it as close to. And I'm also using that to highlight. I don't want it to be super like noticeable kind of highlight, just a little something. I'm sorry, my eyebrows are messed up by the way. Apparently I didn't go and see my eyebrow lady. Hi Vivian. But go ahead and apply that and also blend it a little bit into that red just to give you more of a blended kind of look. Now I'm going on the lower lash line with a little more of that red eyeliner that we used to kind of cut the crease. And in theory, I was going to make it look like I had little eyelashes that I was drawing in. That didn't show up as well as I thought it was going to. But honestly, if you want to do that part, I would just do it with a slightly darker shade, because it'll show a little bit better. Mine did not show good at all. Good, well. Next I took that same eyeliner that I keep talking about. This one's from Lancome, it's the Drama Liquid Pencil, and I applied that on my inner rim. I will warn you though, if you, in this look it doesn't look like it too much, but it kind of looks like your eyes are irritated or like you've been crying a little bit. So if people ask you that, it's not out of being mean, it's probably out of concern. But I actually liked how that looked, so now I'm going in with same liner, with that pencil that we used before, and I'm literally just lining my lash line. This part's actually pretty easy. I like to keep my looks a little bit simple-ish, but I want them to look cool at the same time. I'm not doing a huge dramatic wing because the focal point of that is not the wing. It's literally the negative space basically that we created by not applying any shadow there, and then the actual crease that we cut out. So a good tip if you do want to apply any kind of eyeliner with a brush, start with the kind of back end of the wing and fill everything in with small strokes. It will make your life so much easier. And if you want to be a normal person, you can leave it there. I, however, am not a normal person. So I went in with a little bit of that red eyeshadow that we were applying before, just on the cheeks, because if you apply too much, you look like a clown, which, yes, I realize the irony in that statement, because that's exactly where we're going. But I also kind of use this as my contour color, and I also used this MAC lipstick. It's from the Selena collection. I don't remember exactly what it was called, but I'll leave it for you guys down in the description if you're interested. Now, again, if you want to be a normal person, you can leave it like this. This looks like a really cool, you know, it's not an everyday kind of like look. It does take a little effort, but if you want to be a little extra like me, I extended the outer part of my lip, and I did overline my lip just a little bit to kind of connect those two parts. And this is essentially going to make you look more like a harlequin, more like a clown doll, which was kind of what I was going for after. I wanted to do either something really cool normal that you can use every day, or something not so boring. But I couldn't decide, so I wound up doing both. You're welcome. Nobody asked for this. So like I said, I overlined my lip a little bit. I am terrible at overlining my lips, that's why usually I don't do it. But this made my lip look a little bit fuller on this side, so it didn't look so lopsided, like I just drew a line, you know, coming out of the side of my mouth. I did that on the other side as well, and I did the same on the bottom, just kind of evening it out so it looked like it came from the same person, not like I was Frankensteining my mouth, essentially. And then I took some rhinestones, because why not? I applied 2 on the bottom part of my eye, or like under my eye, I guess, and then 2, was it 2? I think it was 1. I applied some above. Don't put lash glue in your eyebrows because it hurts. But that is essentially the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely had fun doing it. If you guys want to see anything else out of my channel, leave me a comment down below. I'm acting like you guys don't know where the comment section is. But I will see you guys next time. Bye!